It was a mesmerizing afternoon for me. So a big, louder applause to all the children and the efforts which have gone behind their performance. Ma'am has already talked about it. I'm not going to repeat. Each one of you is present here, backstage, as audience, as performers. Everybody has been truly remarkable. And here today, I'm not going to give my wisdom, but I'm going back enriched today after seeing these little children perform. And the little nuggets of wisdom which I am taking back with me today are, I would first want to know from parents, anybody who got some message which you're carrying back home from your children's performance? Anybody who would like to share, maybe a grandparent or parent? Sorry? Kindness, okay, so we need to cultivate that kindness, and that's not very difficult, right? It's an abstract term, but we've seen how beautifully a small
They are
act,
so happy.
you can change the word, and these little kids have portrayed it beautifully. Wonderful. Any other? Sorry? Collaboration is the key. Dear parents, we are really trying to shift the sea of competition with sea of collaboration. So we are going to replace this, and for that, my little request to each one of you is we should not be comparing our children and not asking them to compete, because you can see the toppers, they are the biggest misfits in today's industry. I hope everybody knows, all the parents can see that in today's world of work, you are not being hired just because of your degrees and the knowledge you have, but only for the 21st century skills. That is, are you a collaborator? Can you work with everyone? And we could see a wonderful depiction of that. Can you think differently, creatively is another thing which we saw very, very remarkably presented through the performance here. Anything else you could see? Teamwork, collaboration, that's the same thing. Sorry? Confidence, again, the C's. So we need to cultivate those C's. I was amazed to look at the confidence, as sir rightly said, the confidence was truly remarkable. We also get jitters when you have to stand here and talk in front of audience, but the way they were performing, and I could, even see and admire the way they were, holding their props, maybe taken in one hand and waving to their parents and still performing the act they were in, right? Anything else?
To say the performance,
What we all need, dear parents, is a happy child at the end of the day. And somewhere down the line, we forget that. So therefore, you could see every child happy there. And let me tell you, at Lotus Valley, one of the values which I've seen is every child matters. Every child matters to them, and that's the kind of philosophy, ECM philosophy, the teachers here work on. Therefore, we could see this spectacular performance because you could see all the children, 100% participation. And as ma'am has already talked about the role of grandparents and parents, you are truly the partners in learning. So you are the most important stakeholder, because our beneficiary is the same, and our beneficiary is the child. And last wisdom nugget which I learned from these little kids is, I can. If you are just there and just telling them that, yes, you can. At times, even if you feel that, they are failing and they're not able to do it, just giving them that confidence that I am there at the back. You can come to me whenever you are in problem, but telling them I can, and they're not looking at you every time they are facing with a problem, is what we need to cultivate, and that was beautifully seen here. Thank you so much for inviting me here, and I think we all say applaud, and we have been clapping like this. Today, seeing this spectacular performance, I would want everybody to give a big round of applause. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Indu ma'am. Thank you, your entire team, Gagandeep ma'am, and each one of you, Didis and Bhaiyas, who were, so careful that maybe one of the props was falling. We have to change this, and this was so amazing and beautiful. Thank you so much.
Extend a heartfelt gratitude for your inspiring and insightful Thank you so much, Parnika. So I would request Principal Ma'am to please come here, and I think today she will give the vote of thanks to everyone. But yes, definitely I would like to thank you all our distinguished guests. So Smita Ma'am, Sarabjit Ma'am, Chandeep Ma'am, thank you so much for your presence and giving us your time. Thank you to all the grandparents because without your blessings, all this is not possible. Thank you to all the parents for giving us the time and also the constant support. All to ma'am.
So I think gratitude is a very big thing which we also are trying to teach our children. And today's event, if we close without expressing our gratitude to the people who actually made it happen, I think we would be falling short of our duties. So at the outset, I want to thank you all for being here and for such a wonderful audience. So children were really motivated and encouraged. So thank you for your presence and for your collaboration always. I'd also like to thank all the eminent guests today for being here. It really made a lot of difference, with your words. I'm sure, there would be something, some vignette which each of the guests, each of the parents would be taking back with them. And I feel that the input which was given was very, very relevant, which said that if the father praises the mother, respects the mother, it's always a happy family. And don't we all want happy families? And we want to teach our children respect. So I think this is something that we are going to all take back with us. So thank you, dear guests, for being here. All of you, really.
For my channel.
Have you here with us. But I think we would be really not doing justice to this entire production if we did not really thank our teachers. I'd like to thank my team of teachers who really worked tirelessly for months together in spite of all the problems, whether the school was shut down because of poor air quality or anything else. They kept on practicing, they kept ensuring that children were, they were in touch with the children and the practices never really stopped. So I'd like to invite all my teachers from grade 1 and 2, those who are not with the children inside, to come up on stage, and I'd like to hear a huge round of applause. While I'm not taking out any names, I'd like you to look at the entire team, and this is not just the only team. There's team at backstage and inside and standing here and even at the entrance, the security team, the housekeeping team and maintenance team, all our nannies and didis and bhaiyas here. Everybody has been working tirelessly, so maybe request all of you to acknowledge their contribution and give them a huge round of applause. So sometimes, we feel that only people who are in the front, they are the ones who are working the hardest. I feel people who are backstage work the hardest, and they don't even get any kind of acknowledgement and recognition. So these are all the people who have worked behind the scenes to make this event a huge, huge success. I'd also like to acknowledge the contribution of the coordinators, Ms. Nidhi Jasrai and Ms. Garima Mathur. If you are here, please just come forward. And last but not the least, Ms. Gagandeep Kaur, the pre-primary head, for actually putting it together and making it a huge success. So she deserves a huge round of applause. Once again, thank you everyone. And as per the protocol, you will have to wait to receive your children. And I think circulars have gone to everyone and you all know where you have to pick up your children from. So please do not be in a rush because we want to ensure safety and security of our children. So the way it has been planned, please be with us and take back your children safely and securely and treat them to something good, for having put up this beautiful show. So last round of applause for our dear children. And may I please request you all to rise for the national anthem.
ओके तो गाइस आज हम आज ऐसे सॉरी जो भी है परफॉर्मेंस
I would request all the parents to